Huh. This is Chandler's little puppy. She's cute. Oh. She is a Shih Tzu mixed with a... Hey, Chandler, Gidget? Her name's Gidget. What mixed breed is she? A Shih Tzu and a...
Shih Tzu and a Bichon.
And a Bichon. And right now she's going to sleep. But otherwise she's very, very playful with this guy. And she's literally a little tiny dog. Right in the butt. And she's super, super furry. Right, and she's super cute. That's Piper in the background, so. Piper, don't wake Gidget up, okay?
She's up.
No. Oh, God.
Are you putting this on Fox and Husky?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm surprised she doesn't even want to go in her bed. She just lays on the floor.
Probably because it is.
Happy Halloween, everyone.
But I had absolutely no success.
Tiago.
Until one day, I found paradise. We're gonna be there soon, I'm sure. It's like, whoa.
Mama and Daddy will be gone, okay?
This is the most beautiful place, okay, I've ever seen.
Let's give them a kiss.
This is the Lorax.
Let's give them a kiss.
This is the Lorax we're watching here. But most importantly, the dog. See, this dog is like the cutest thing you'll ever see. He's out to Baby Husky. At least, maybe not the cutest thing you've ever seen, but to Chandler, yeah, she's one of the top 10 best, cutest dogs you'll ever see.
And
ever.
she's maybe the second.
Or she's at least in top 5th.
Yeah. No,
But-
she's in top 3.
3.
Yeah.
First is Lucy, then Keiko, but then there's what?
Who's Lucy?
She was a golden retriever I had. Good night.